In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hamburger menu in Wix Editor. So, let's jump right into it. When you're working on your website in the Wix Editor, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Add Elements option. This step is crucial because it's where you can access all the different features you might want to integrate into your site. Once you've opened the Add Elements tab, you'll need to navigate to Menu and Anchor. This section holds all the menu-related features you might want, including the hamburger menu we're focusing on today. When you're there, you'll notice an option for the hamburger menu. Click on that. Now comes the fun part, choosing the design. Wix offers a variety of hamburger menu design templates, so take a moment to browse through them to find one that matches your site's aesthetic and needs. Once you've made your choice, simply drag the hamburger menu design onto your site. You'll want to place it in a spot that's both visually appealing and intuitive for your visitors, ensuring they can easily find and use it. After placing the menu on your site, you'll have more customization options at your fingertips. By clicking on the hamburger menu you've just added, you'll see that you can adjust settings, layout, and design in further detail. This personalization is key to making sure your menu not only looks great, but also functions well for your users. Now let's edit the menu itself to fit your website's navigation needs perfectly. Click on the menu once more, and this time select Edit Menu. This action will open up the menu's contents, allowing you to customize what appears when someone clicks on the hamburger menu. You can adjust the order of items, add or remove links, and essentially tailor the menu to enhance the user's experience on your site. After you've made your edits and you're happy with how everything looks and works, it's always a good idea to test it out. Switch over to Preview mode in Wix to see the hamburger menu in action. This will give you a sense of how users will interact with it, and whether any further changes are needed before the site goes live. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a hamburger menu on your Wix site. This menu not only boosts the functionality of your website, but also contributes to a sleek and modern user experience. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps enhance your Wix website design. Mate.